Okay, hi guys. Today's topology is this topology requires us to troubleshoot the VTP and DTP. So for the first part, troubleshoot DTP. In part 1, you will troubleshoot the trunk links among the switches. You will verify the permanent link trunk link are used between the switches. Enter the show interface trunk and the privilege exec from on all switches to determine the status of the trunk links. So we will start with switch 2. Enable show interface trunk. So there's no trunk on switch 2. We go to switch 1. Show interface trunk. There's also no trunk on switch 1. Yeah, let's go to switch 3. Okay, there's no trunk in switch 3. So let's go to B. Enter show interface G0/1 switch port and exec prom privilege exec prom on switch 1. Do the same for G0/2 interface on switch 1. So let's go to switch 1. Switch port. So we can see here the name is trunk G0/1. The operational mode is static access. So next we'll do the G0/2. G0/2 switch port. So we also can see that the switch port is enabled. The operational mode is static access. So the next question is repeat the command for G0/1 on S2 and G0/2 on S3. We go to switch 2, base, change to G0/1. The operational mode is also static access. Let's go to switch 3. Put command. Okay. Also the same. It's also the static access for the operational mode. Okay, so verify the trunk links using show command. Okay, for the first one, we go to S1. Enable right, config D, interface range, G0/1 until 2. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port mode trunk. We're waiting. Okay, so the G0/1 is stated up and G0/2 stated out. So we go fast forward. Okay, so next one we go to S2. Config terminal. interface G0/1, switch port, enter the switch port mode trunk. Enter. Right, we go to the next switch, which is switch 3, config C, interface G0/2, switch port mount trunk. Okay. Then we go to S2 password. Okay, we go to S2. Show interface trunk. Okay, here we can see the status is trunking. The port G0/1 is allowed. Okay, we go to S1. Show interface trunk. Okay, we can see that all ports are allowed. Go to switch 3. Show interface trunk. Okay, the status is trunking. Okay, now we will troubleshoot the VTP. Step 1, verify VLAN information. Use the command show VLAN brief command to all switches. So let's go to the first switch, which is switch 2. Okay, show VLAN brief. Okay, here we can see there's 7 VLAN, including these two. The total is 7 VLANs. So we take shortcut, copy, and we go to switch 1, copy paste the command. Okay. Okay, here we can see another 3 VLAN. So the total for the VLAN in this switch is 10. We go to switch 3, paste, enter. So the total VLAN in switch 3 is 7 in the switch 2. So second, verify VTP configuration. Use the show VTP status and show VTP password commands to all switches to verify the VTP status. So the first one, we go to switch 1. Go to switch 1, paste show VTP status. So we can see the VTP operating mode is transparent. VTP domain name not yet appear. Then show VTP password. Okay, the VTP password is not configured yet. We go to switch 2. Paste, show VTP status. Okay, the domain name is for switch 1 is no domain name. Operating mode is The operating mode is, where is it? Transparent. And the VTP password is not yet configured. Okay, we go to switch 2. VTP domain name is CCNA and the operating mode is transparent. Then show VTP password. Okay, for switch 2, the VTP password is not configured. Now we will go to switch 3. Show VTP status. The VTP domain name is for switch 3 is CCNA and the VTP operating mode is transparent. Then now we go to show VTP password. So for the switch 3, the VTP password is Cisco. Okay, let's see the next question. Record the VTP configuration. As I mentioned before, for S1, domain name is not yet verified. The operating mode for this 3 switch is transparent. For S1, VTP password is not yet configured. Okay, the domain name for switch 2 is CCNA and the VTP password for switch 2 is not yet configured. And for the switch 3, the domain name for switch 3 is uppercase CCNA and the password is Cisco. So step 4, verify port assignment. Use the show VLAN brief or command on switch 2 and switch 3 to determine if VLANs have been assigned to the switchboard, which VLAN is associated with this switchboard. Okay, we go to switch 1. Config 50. So enter VTP mode server, then VTP domain name is uppercase CCNA, enter, and put the password VTP password Cisco. Okay, now we go to switch 2. Config D. Okay, enter the VTP mode client, VTP domain CCNA, and the VTP password is Cisco. Okay, now we go to switch 3, config D, enter the VTP mode client. Okay, so we config. Next one, switch 2. We enter the interface F0/1. Switch port mode access VLAN 10. Switch port mode access VLAN 10. So we go to interface F0/9, enter VLAN 20, then interface F0/17, okay, next we go to switch 3 and config the interface F0/8, switch mode, switch mode, access VLAN 10, VLAN 10, and interface F0/16, switch mode access VLAN 20, switch mode access VLAN 30. Okay, now password. Okay, ping PC0 to PC5. We take the IP address of PC5, PC5, okay, go to PC0, command prompt, okay, paste. Okay, we are getting the we are getting the reply. Okay, the second one is ping PC1 from ping PC4 from PC1. We go to PC4, get the IP address. No. Copy, go to PC1, desktop, ping, pass. Okay, we are getting the reply. And the last one, ping from PC2, ping PC3. From PC2, ping PC3. Okay, we go and get the IP, which is 16.30.2. Then we go to PC2, desktop, okay, paste, okay, we are getting the reply. So that's all for this packet tracer topology, which is Troubleshoot VTP and DTP. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So that's all, bye.